Blizzard 2013.
Mission, get to the neighbors for dinner.
See if we can get out of the door here. Our storm door opens outwards.
Oh no! No! Now we're gonna try the back door.
Oh my goodness.
Reached another obstacle in the way. Your soup better be good, Angela.
You're pathetic.
Yukon Cornelius.
So this is where we live, and this is where we're trying to get. Don't forget Angela!
Angela's soup was the only thing that kept us going.
Got the win. Can't think of the pasta.
Graceful.
Full of class.
We made it!
Yay!
Come on in!
Our warm-up meal after the storm.
Soup, baby!
Thank you.
This is worth the wait, the struggle, the rolling down the hills, the middle of the driveway hills. Cheers! Cheers! Love thy neighbor.